Hey lovelies, Jen and Caitlin here with Fleur Bee's Beauty in Pajamas. And today we're gonna talk to you about Squalane.
Now, what the heck is that, you may be wondering? Well, do not worry your pretty little face, because guess what? We are gonna tell you exactly what it is, where it comes from, the 10 best benefits for using it, how to incorporate it into your routine, and finally, the skin types that it's good for.
So Squalane is the store-bought version of squalene, which is a natural substance produced by the sebaceous glands, which makes up to about 10 to 12% of your skin's oil. It also helps to keep your skin supple, youthful looking, and hydrated. Yay! But as we age, squalene production tends to decline.
Now, squalane is actually a hydrogenated form of squalene, and that hydrogenation process actually makes it shelf stable and ready for you to buy. Gross fact,
Ew.
squalane used to be sourced almost exclusively from shark liver. But now, fun fact, it mostly comes from plant sources like olive oil, rice, and sugarcane.
So you definitely want to be sure to check where your squalane is sourced from, and remember that it's not vegan unless it comes from plants. So take a look at that label.
Absolutely. Accidental shark liver is never a place you want to be. Nope. All right, so let's get to the 10 reasons you should be using squalane. First, it helps to minimize and prevent the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It gives you a revitalized and refreshed look, like best night's sleep of your life.
Second, it moisturizes skin, and because it's so similar to your skin's own oil, it produces just the right amount of moisture without over or underdoing it. Third, it helps to soften the texture of your skin because of the hydrating and antioxidant properties. So it'll leave you smooth as a baby.
Ooh, I like being smooth as a baby. Fourth, it soothes skin and prevents irritation.
Fifth, it's non-comedogenic. No, hold on. This word is very hard for me, and I'm kind of stumbling upon it, but let me take a second. It's non-comedogenic. It's non-comedogenic. Non-comedogenetic.
Nope.
I struggle with that word. Okay, and that just basically means that it won't clog your pores, which is a win.
And on that note, it also helps to balance your skin's natural oils.
7, it also helps to fade away any of those dark spots or sunspots that you may have on your face. And that is definitely something that we are all trying to get rid of. It will also help to brighten your overall look and even your complexion.
8th, because it mimics your skin's own natural oils, it helps you keep that youthful looking glow that we all have when we're young. And who doesn't want to look young like forever? Forever young, yeah. Forever young. Yeah, sing it.
9th, it is light and breathable instead of being heavy and greasy, but it still provides just enough moisture.
And lastly, it actually helps to reduce the appearance of temporary redness. It has a gentle effect on your skin that keeps a revitalized and even skin tone.
So those are all fantastic reasons to use squalane. And now we want to talk about how to use it.
It's super easy. There are 2 ways you can do it. Basically, you can look for products that have squalane in them already and use those. For instance, at Fleur Bee, we have our Eyes Baby Anti-Aging Eye Cream that has squalane in it, and we include it because it's an anti-aging eye cream, and squalane has amazing anti-aging benefits. The other thing that you can do is use just pure squalane. You can buy it in the store, just make sure it's 100% pure. You don't want any extra chemicals or additives in there. If you choose to go that route, you just kind of use it in place of a normal moisturizer. So you just wash your face, use any toners or serums that you normally use, and then just take a few drops of your squalane, apply it to your face and neck. And if it's in the morning, make sure you use sunscreen, and then you're good to go.
So now we want to ask ourselves, what type of skin is squalane good for? So basically, it's good for sensitive skin because it's so gentle and it mimics your skin's own oils. It is also good for oily skin because it helps keep a balance in the oils. It is good for dry skin because it helps to retain that moisture. And it's also good for combination skin. It's giving your skin whatever it needs. It could be less or more oil at any time. It remains balanced.
That's amazing. So basically, it's great for all skin types.
Absolutely.
Yay!
And to wrap it up, it's also safe to use during pregnancy and just safe to use in general. But you need to be sure to check the label to make sure there is no added or extra ingredients.
Well, we hope you've learned everything you ever wanted to know about Squalane, maybe a little bit more. If you're interested in checking out any of Fleur Bee's products, please head to our website, check them out, and you can use code YouTube to get 25% off of your order.
And if you want to see some more fun skincare videos, be sure to subscribe to our channel. And you could also take a look at our social media. It's pretty fun. Bye for now.
Bye.